A very good morning, my dear kids. Dear students, I hope and I am sure that you all will be following all the guidelines that are given by your teachers, your parents at your home. Because this is a very critical situation for everyone and everyone is mute. Means we are not able to work properly. But we are trying a lot, we are working hard for everything. In this video, before starting our class, I just want to explain that in September we are going to have our exams. In that exams, you will have questions in subjective form. Nowadays, the tests that you are attempting, they are in MCQs form. So today onwards, we are going to start our practice for subjective tests, and for this you need to learn back exercise, your question answers. You have to read your chapter nicely, so that if your teacher will ask any question from the chapter, you can give your answer easily. And after attempting this test, you have to send that test through email. That email ID that will be provided to you. Okay, good. The picture that you are seeing on your screen, this is of water. And with the help of this picture, you can easily understand that which chapter we are going to revise today. Yes, you all are right. Today we are going to revise chapter number 6, that is water. Water is precious. This chapter, water is precious. We have already studied about this, but as you all know that we are taking a revision of all the chapters. So today this chapter is going for revision. Water is the only thing. Without this we cannot live. It is the basic need of all living beings, whether human beings, animals, plants, birds or others. And water, it is used for many purposes. For examples, you can see in your daily life also, you are taking a bath with the help of water. Your mother is using in the kitchen for cleaning utensils or for cooking food, and it is using for cleaning, for washing clothes. And now if we will talk about animals, animals use water for drinking, and even if they want to take a bath, they also need water, definitely. And plants also need water. With the help of the water, they prepare their food. If you have any plant at your home, if 4 or 5 days you will not water that plant, do you know what will happen? Yes, what will happen? I tell you. That plant will not be able to stand properly. Their leaves, they will be yellowish in color. So we just want to say that water is precious. It is used in many fields in our daily lives. Our next topic in this chapter, that is sources of water. Sources of water means from where we get water. There are many sources of water, but the rain, it is the main source of water on the earth. Rain fills streams, ponds, lakes and rivers. And two types of water sources are there: surface water and groundwater. Surface water means the water that we can see on the surface, that is called surface water, and groundwater, that is under the ground, that is called groundwater. And groundwater, it can be dug out from wells and pumps. We see water in lake, rivers, wells, tap. So lake and river, it is surface water. Wells, hand pumps, that is groundwater. If we will talk about drinking water, the water that we get at our home, that is not easy, that is not good for our health, because that water contains germs and other harmful particles. So before drinking water, whether we should boil, so that if we will boil that water will be clean and germ free. Boiled water is safe for drinking. Even if you will go to a doctor, if you are having any problem, you are ill, then doctor, he will also suggest you that you should drink boiled water. And the other way, for making the water purify, we should use water purifier. With the help of water purifier, we will get clean water. Nowadays, we are facing a problem that the level of the water is decreasing day by day. So it means we should save water. But now a question arises, how we can save water? Dear students, now you will ask, ma'am, we are too little, but how we can save water? Definitely, you can also save water. You can also be the part of our goodness. How? I will tell you. If you are taking a bath, you should use bucket. Okay? And if you are brushing your teeth, you should close the tap. Okay? Yes. And if any tap that is leaking, you should inform your parents or your elders so that they can repair that immediately. And we should use water only whenever we need that. We cannot use seawater for drinking, domestic purposes or agriculture because it is salty. Okay. So today we will take care, of water, means we will not waste water. Okay, good. So dear students, only this much for today. Now what you have to do, you have to learn MCQs, fill-ups, question answers and true false that I have already given to you, and in the next class I will take your test. Thank you and have a nice day.